All right, it's the 72 F100. It's the cab. Went all the way to Delaware to pick that joker up. So got him. I got a couple extra transmissions right there. That's getting ready to get done. And we'll see. Bunch of stuff on there. It's red. So he's got a lot of stuff in there. New headliner, I got stuff for it. So that'll be getting done soon. And these is the F100 under construction. Front end. Finally got first this bag set on here. So now we got the bag on one side. And we still got the spring to take out over there on that side. F100 swap in the front with the Crown Vic swap that's in there already. Here's the bag. She's gonna need some work, but she's pretty much smooth. Been sitting out for a minute. A lot of rust in the bed gonna get took out of there. Right now she's currently sitting on 24s. What you see is high as giraffe pussy in the back. So more stuff out of that. And of course, you know, there go Tink Tink, the monster. Serious Sounds monster. I gotta work on that too. I got too many goddamn projects, but that's this side here. New upper control arms, new lower control arms. Had to do some customization on this bracket. Here's a news flash. If you get the Crown Vic bag brackets for the top and the bottom, if you have aluminum lower control arms, right, this plate that you get that comes with the kit is not gonna fit. You're gonna have to cut this plate to sit down in the aluminum. Now if you have this one, which is the steel bottoms, it will fit right in there any kind of way, back or forward, however you want it. Shake what your mama gave you. It'll fit. So you will have to do an extensive amount of trimming, cutting, plate on that side, cutting the plate on this side. You will have to do an extensive amount of that to get that plate to fit on the aluminum lower control arm. So, Lord have mercy. That was crazy over there. So, this is a 2010, actually Lincoln Town Car front end, which is the same as the Crown Vic. You know, swap. I forgot what years, 03 to 2011. All of them are pretty much the same. Slight little nuances here and there. But this one, particular one here, was the Town Car front end swap. It came with the steel bottoms, like you say, but from Detroit Axle, you can get the new lower control arm with aluminum, which is slightly lighter. I think the aluminum is like maybe 15 pounds lighter or something like that. There's another one there, but Detroit Axle, you get upper and lower control arm. I'll put the link in the description. But this beef is pretty stout too. It's pretty stout. Comes with the ball joints in it as well. Lower control arm. That bitch right there is fucking like heavy as shit compared to this one. So, plus the upper control arms factory are like stamped, hollow stamped. I don't like that. That's kind of garbage to me. I wanted the lighter one than this thing. It's lighter than the aluminum, and The aluminum is nice. It looks good. You could polish it if you want, blast it if you want. But that looks much better. And these are solid bars. So these are solid, not stamp bars. They're solid bars. So these to me are much stronger. That's a much lighter. Same strength on the lower. Still got a bolt in the bottoms, but yeah, this is a 72 Ford F100, and gotta do some more framework, but first I want to get everything up front tightened up first, before I even think about cleaning up the rest of this frame here and such. And then yeah, then we're gonna go from there. But this is an update. I'll try to shoot a video on me doing, maybe it's a time lapse, because this was a pain in the ass. All this was a pain in the ass because Ford, all of these control arm bushings were like stripped. You got to put like a I don't know, Allen key or something up in here to hold these, to tighten them, and all of them were stripped out. And that and the lower and down here, under here, were stripped out. So took a bunch of hard times to get that there correct, but I want to end up putting new sway bar links because this one broke right here on the way of doing it, popped out doing this, so I got to get that actually done and taken care of. Pop new sway bar bushings. I got new sway bar bushings and links. It's going to go on that. It's going to go up here into the factory location right about there. Wait, right about there. So once that gets done, I'll tighten that up. So, but that's where we at right here. I'll get with you soon. I'll try to post another video with me doing the other side here soon. So if I don't, hey, I'll do whatever. I'll probably link the Detroit axle up and lower kit. I think the whole kit was like right at $290, $300 for both lowers, both uppers, brand new. Get rid of that old crap. Comes with all the bushings in them, brand new. All the ball joints in them, brand new. So, and these right here are 6-inch bags. They're really hard to find, like in, that's not super expensive, but these are 2,700 pounds. So with the big block that's going in here, I think we'll be fine. So the 460, well, the 577 big block will be fine because a lot of it will be mostly aluminum, so it'll be a lot lighter than the stock super cast heavy ridiculous 460 that went in, that Ford manufactured. So I got 2 dead soldiers right there, 2 dead babies. I'm converting those over to, what's the name? So yep, so my doors over there, everything I got everything for the vehicle. I just the cab, all that stuff's gonna put on, but first you gotta start with the heartbeat. What we're gonna do is get that done first, get that taken care of, and once that's done, I think we can move on to you know, getting the frame done, and I can get that cab off of the trailer over there, and get it mounted to the frame. So that being said, hit me up if you got any questions. Ask me in the comment. I'll try to get to all the questions and comment that I can, and I'm gonna start posting more on the F100 build, and get all that like step by step. So I was looking on the internet, and there's some stuff, but there's not a lot of people who don't have press machines and all this fancy ass equipment to do it. So this is like right here in the front, under the carport, you know, right in the front, just doing it, and for the everyday average Joe. So get up with me. Also hit my other channel for some good commentary on our podcast, All Media Podcast. Hit us up on that, and hell, I'm out. So I'll get with you soon. Peace.